Happy Sunday and welcome to OUTHAUS 3D Prints. Hit a couple milestones this weekend. I actually got to 50 subscribers. I want to thank everybody who's watched any of my videos, and thank you to my subscribers. I want to take a moment to speak about my FlashForge AD5M and my 5X. All right, we hit 500 hours on the FlashForge AD5M and 200 hours on the AD5X. I cannot stress enough how great a printer the 5M has been. Other than the build volume, I have absolutely no complaints. And if you are looking to get into the hobby and have not yet bought a printer, I highly recommend you get the 5M before you get a Bamboo A-Series. It's a better printer. It's not a bed slinger. Not that I have anything against bed slingers. I own a big one. But this is just a better printer all around. It's a Core XY. And again, other than the build volume, it has been wonderful. Any printing issues have been my fault. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Anything, the bed adhesion issues, whatever, now that I'm actually semi-okay at printing and slicers, I've not had too many issues with it failing at all. The AD5X, this is my replacement unit. The first one, if you've seen my prior videos, you know that I had issues with the first unit. That obviously came out of the first batch. The second batch has absolutely been on fire. This thing does not have print issues anymore, especially with the new nozzle in it. I'm printing a little tea light, a pumpkin tea light deal. Over here, we got some dice holders for what I printed prior, the dice towers, the cubby dice towers. And unfortunately, this went wonky. I wanted to have this up, but I am finally getting ready, my shop ready. It's been a moment. I work full time and I'm extremely busy at work, and sometimes I just don't want to do anything after work. I'm also considering getting a resin printer. The little mini market is huge. Who wants to pay retail prices for stuff, and not everybody wants to get into resin printing because of the mess. So I figure if I do print on demand for minis, it's just another thing in the wheelhouse. And there's what I'm printing on the 5X. Just a real quick walk over here to what I have printed. Those are tea lights. And I did another dice tower koozie deal. Oh, let's go over and talk about the Chitty. I reached out to Chitty. I did not take this apart yet. I want to make sure I'm not going to do anything to mess up my warranty. This is not nearly as easy to work on as either of these, especially the 5M. Back to the 5M, 500 hours of pure bliss. I honestly, if the build volume were 250 to 270, I probably would not buy another brand. I am completely happy with this, and I would buy their Pro to have an enclosed once it went multicolor. I love this printer. I do. I can't stress enough. It makes me happy. And the 5X is doing what it's supposed to. I did have some issues with stringing on some white filament last night on the pumpkin keychains, but those were, I don't know what is happening there. It was a 3M file from, built for a Bamboo Labs, and I had to recolor, so I'm not sure what was happening there. And yeah, I showed you the business. We got that going. All right, well, I want to thank you all, 50 subscribers. It took a minute, but thank you all. Have a great week. And I should be back to printing a little bit more, maybe posting a bit more shorts. I know I've been neglecting YouTube. And, well, just thank you. Have a great week.